Argentina recently experienced a catastrophic flood that resulted in significant destruction and loss of life. The city of Corrientes, the capital of the province bearing the same name, was among the hardest hit. Torrential rains led to the city being inundated, with rainfall reaching 299 millimeters, far surpassing the city's drainage capacity of 51 millimeters. The floodwaters wreaked havoc across the city, causing extensive property damage and sweeping away numerous vehicles. The city's streets were temporarily transformed into rivers, and widespread power outages occurred. The city's infrastructure was overwhelmed by the intensity of the event, leading to the failure of the drainage system. Netizens were seen sharing various videos of the floods on social media, where hundreds of cars were seen being washed away by the floodwaters. The deluge also caused the collapse of El Gran Mural, a significant artwork etched on an external wall of the convent of San Francisco. This 71-meter-long and 3.6-meter-high mural portrayed the history of the indigenous Guarani people from the time of the conquistadors up to the 20th century. The International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, IFRC, reported 3 fatalities and 410,000 people affected by the flood. Local authorities reported that over 850 people were displaced. The province was under an orange storm alert issued by the National Meteorological Service, SMN. Jose Pedro Ruiz, the Undersecretary of Risks and Catastrophes for Corrientes City, described the event as the worst natural disaster in recorded history. Relief teams were mobilized, and city authorities urged residents to heed safety instructions and avoid unnecessary travel. Reports indicate that over 900 people were evacuated, and public transportation was disrupted as the provincial government declared an emergency. The flooding event spanned from March 3rd to March 5th. During this time, city authorities worked tirelessly to provide relief to the affected residents.